Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Love of Biology. Today we are going to learn about bacterial structure. Bacteria, so these are the simple smaller organisms, microscopic ones, which are often known as germs and microbes. They are among the simplest form of the life. Bacteria are unicellular, belonging to the prokaryotic group, where cell organelles are absent and true nucleus is also absent. First, these are discovered by Anton van Leeuwenhoek, a Dutchman. They were objects of curiosity until middle of the 19th century, when Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch demonstrated that these organisms are responsible for some of the important diseases of human beings and the animals. So these bacteria are also pathogenic ones are present. If you see the bacterial cell, it have the simple internal structure. It lacks all membrane bound cell organelles like mitochondria, lysosomes, endoplasmic reticulums, etc. Bacteria also lack true membrane bound nucleus and the nucleolus. The bacterial nucleus is known as the nucleide. So all the cell organelles and true nucleus, true vacuoles, all these are absent. If you see the structure of the bacteria, the cell structure, if you see, it is made up of a simple things, outer membranes and a capsule, peptidoglycan, cell wall. So like the simpler structure it will have. So it is made up of a capsule. It is a 0.2 micrometer thickness and viscous layer which is outer side to the cell wall. So this capsule helps in attachment as well as it prevents the cell from desiccation and the drying. Capsule resists phagocytosis by the white blood cells. So white blood cells, immune cells will undergo phagocytosis, so it will prevented by the capsule. Flagella. So these are 15 to 20 nanometer hair-like helical structures emerges from the cell wall. These are helical and composed of flagellin protein and made up of basal body, hook and the filament. And what is the main function? They helps in the motility of the bacteria. Pili. So these are smaller than the flagella and many are present. So these are generally present in the gram-negative bacteria composed of pillin protein. They help in the bacteria to attachment and they possess antigenic property. So specialized functions they modified for the as a sex pilus helps in the conjugation. Cell wall gives a shape to the organism based on the cell wall. Bacteria divided into gram positive and negative. The gram positive bacteria contains peptidoglycan, lipid and teichoic acid. Cell wall of a gram negative bacteria made up of peptidoglycan, outer membrane made up of lipin or other materials. If you see peptidoglycan cell wall, we see generally, but along with that other materials also present. Peptidoglycan, it is a glycan backbone formed by repeated units of NAG and NAM, N-acetyl glucosamine and N-acetyl muramic acid, and it is a cross-linked by the peptide bonds. So this layer is present in a cell wall of both gram positive and negative bacteria. However, gram positive have thick layer of the peptidoglycan. Teichoic acid is water soluble polymer of the glycerol or teichoic acid. So it is also present in the gram positive one. Outer membrane additional layer present in the gram negative bacteria. It is composed of lipid bilayer, protein and LPS, that is lipopolysaccharide. LPS is composed of lipid and polysaccharide. It is a phosphorylated glucosamine disaccharide. It is antigenic. Polysaccharide, it is a important core polysaccharide, and O polysaccharide is made up of nothing but a sugar carbohydrate. Cell membrane is the inner layer that lies inside the cell wall and encloses the cytoplasm. It is also known as cytoplasmic membrane or plasma membrane. Of bacteria, it is composed of phospholipids and the proteins. It is selectively permeable as it allows to pass selective substances like sugars, amino acids and across it, but not the other molecules. Nucleus is the most important part of any cell. It controls and directs all the cellular activities. Stores hereditary information of the cell. Bacterial nucleus is known as nucleoid because it does not have the nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm and the nucleopores, but inside that circular the DNA is present. Ribosomes. Bacteria contain 70S type of ribosomes, are rounded granules found freely floating in the cytoplasm. These are the universal cell organelles because it is found in both the bacteria, that is prokaryotes and the eukaryotes. Chemically, ribosomes are made up of RNA and the proteins. Mesosome, these are the inner folding of the cell membrane, actually spherical or round sac-like structures found commonly in the gram-positive bacteria, helps in the different functions. Cytoplasm, it is a colorless viscous fluid present inside the cell membrane. All the cell organelles and inclusions are found floating in the cytoplasmic fluid. It contains proteins, lipids, minerals, everything, and also water, oxygen as other substances throughout the cell. Literally all the cell content including nucleus, other cell organelles are floating in the cytoplasm. So it is an important thing where the nucleoids are 70S ribosome of the prokaryotic cell and other proteins. So all are present in this. Spore is metabolically dormant structure produced during the unfavorable conditions by the process called sporulation. It is a late log phase or the early stationary phase. Under favorable conditions, spores germinate into complete bacterial vegetative cell. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.